Andreas Moller was born November 30, 1684, died circa 1762. He was a Danish portrait painter and pioneer of miniature painting who worked at many European courts. He was considered a half-English and later, to distinguish him from his father, was nicknamed the English Møller. In 1712, he finally left Denmark to work in Vienna, Kassel, Dresden, London, Paris, Florence, Mannheim, Leipzig, and Berlin, where are most of his works. He was employed as painter to the Hessian court of the Landgrave Charles I in 1715 until 1721. The newly crowned King of Denmark, Christian VI, met him in 1732 in Dresden and later appointed him as court painter. He was Christian VI's court painter from 1736 to 1741. His works include mainly portraits of members of European royal and princely houses, including a 1727 portrait of Maria Theresa, Holy Roman Empress as a girl aged 11, for the imperial family in Vienna. He made several portraits and miniatures,